This is a pilot program for MacArthur and for Lawton Public Schools. And if it works, hopefully we can send it out to all the other middle schools and high schools. 3 or 4 years ago, I started working on the computer programs here at MacArthur Middle School. And when I first started the program, I saw a need for the computers to be repaired. So I thought that I needed to start fixing them, or somebody needed to fix them, because the turnaround would be kind of rough when we had about 800 computers here in the school. So I talked with AJ if I could develop a program that we could have the students learn to fix the computers after I started learning how to work on them. And AJ said that would be a great idea. So the support that I got from AJ and with their help, we developed a program where we could teach the students how to be the techs of the school, to where they can learn how to fix the computers and repair them, not just the software side of it, but literally take the computers apart, replace the screens, replace the mouse pads, replace the batteries, and do some of the mechanical parts of the computers instead of just the software parts of the computers.
So this program is all about learning how to fix computers and how they work. It's been very educational for me. I've always been interested in this.
MacArthur Middle School has started the Student Tech program, and MacArthur High School already has the tech program, and they've had it for about 3 years. So if a student enters the program at MacArthur Middle School, they can progress through this program, and by the time they leave high school, they'll have 7 years of on-the-job training and experience. So by the time they go to college or vocational technical training school, or even if they're just looking for a job, they've got this in their portfolio and on their resume, where they can potentially land those jobs without needing that experience that a lot of jobs require.
We plan for them to start at 7th grade, so they're here with me in 7th grade and 8th grade, and then transition into the high school for 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th grade. So we're building a tradition so they walk straight in, they know how to fix everything all the way through. And then when they walk out of high school, they should be fully certified and employable at that time to work in the technology field.
This is something I never thought I would probably be doing. I probably enjoyed more of the hands-on part, like where we get to do more physical things with the computers.
Other kids in the school want to do this as well. They go, well, why can't I be in this? Or what was this program when I was in 6th grade and not selected for it in 7th grade as well? And the parents think it's a very positive thing as well, because this is like real world applications where the kids learn a trade. We pick 10 kids a year, good students that worked in class. It doesn't mean that they had to be just honor students. They were just good, reliable students that would work hard and were dependable, and that I could trust to move throughout the school. And so far it's been working great. Our turnaround is like 1 to 2 days. Mr. Arthur Jones has been fantastic with getting his crew to send the parts over here real quick for us. And the kids have done a fantastic job fixing the computers, analyzing them, and getting the computers right back out to the students, so we have very little downtime.
As a technology director, I wouldn't bat an eye to write a letter of recommendation for one of these students who's been through one of these programs. I would never be opposed to hiring one of these students if they were fresh out of high school and they've had all this training, they've had experience talking to customers, they've had experience with the software and the hardware. It's a great fit for a new hire.
So I can see myself doing that, and with this program, it'll help me do it. Because if I finish it out, I can do it as a job.